The next law enforcement equipment we will discuss is the handcuffs. Again, we have different types here. So firstly, I have the normal ones here. They are connected by a chain and therefore you can turn both sides. They are easy to use and they compensate errors when putting on. You don't necessarily need to check which way you put them on, even though you should. But they can be turned around if you made a mistake. In contrast to this inflexible one, once you have put one side on, you need to put the other arm into the other side. Here I could still change the side. Again, we have different manufacturers and different employers offering handcuffs to the employees. This one is very nice. You can close them from any direction, so I don't need to check for the right side. Here we have a similar one, just with links instead of the chain. You can do interesting kinds of handcuffing with those. Of course, this works with the chain as well, but these are more for the direct force. This one is the next type. It's already a little more solid, but you can still close it from both sides and lock it by pressing here with the finger. You can either lock it here with the closing mechanism or with pressure on that point here with the key. This is therefore even better to handle as well as this one. Our employer provides single-use handcuffs made from plastic like this one. I don't need to pre-band these ones, because under stress this needs too much time. Those are already preformed and I only put the hands in and tighten it up. You have different kinds of keys as well. Many work with this small key. I personally feel I could easily lose it when wearing gloves, for example. And therefore, here we have other types that are a little bigger and I could, for example, wear it here like a pen. So I can easily pull it out in case of need. I have a better grip onto it when wearing gloves as well. Here we have a model I can unscrew. Put the original key of the handcuffs inside and then screw it together again. This one is a standardized key, but here I can put the original key in that I got together with the handcuffs, so I can be sure that it is the right one. Sometimes when the handcuffs and keys are little used or from no-name manufacturers, it may happen that the key does not work very smoothly, maybe just works for one side, but not the other side and so on. This law enforcement equipment needs to be oiled and serviced regularly. Nothing is more impractical than a handcuff that I need to pull really hard to open. It has to go totally smooth and easy. This one is well serviced and works just fine. You need to check your equipment, at least I do, because I want the handcuffs to open by itself without me pulling. I will show you in a second a technique, or when I use it as a striking weapon, change the position and hit the wrist here. I have one movement and it is locked then. This only works when they are well oiled and serviced. So this was a short introduction about handcuffs, what kinds of handcuffs exist. But there are way more models available, totally different products as well. I just showed you some regular ones that we use as well. Now we will go on and see the practical application and we will show you the different types of handcuffing techniques, with a chain or an inflexible one. It's not like we would only have the one to handcuff the hands here in front, but many others as well. We have lots and lots of nice options to use them. We will show you.